Hey, so if you're seeing the something went wrong error in Bitly, yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to create or manage links. It's a pretty common issue. And in this guide, I'll walk you through step-by-step fixes to solve it quickly. First, try refreshing the page. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Yeah, because interruptions can trigger this error. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Stored data can sometimes cause errors like this. Disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers. Yeah, they can interfere with Bitly scripts. Switch to another browser to see if the issue is browser specific. Log out of your account and log back in. This can fix session-related issues. In some cases, yeah, Bitly servers might be down. Wait a bit and try again later. If nothing works, contact Bitly support for help resolving the issue. So yeah, that's how to fix the Bitly something went wrong error. One of these steps should get everything working again quickly. If this helped, subscribe for more simple tech fixes.